From tracking your range to protecting it from heat, here are 8 Chinese habits that keep a BYD's battery alive for years. And number 1 does more than all the others combined. Here's the truth. Almost nobody tells you. A battery that dies early almost never dies of old age. It dies of neglect. Your BYD's Blade battery is one of the toughest ever built, warranted to stay healthy for around 8 years, and it wants to outlast the whole car. These 8 habits are simply how you let it reach that potential instead of dying young. None of them are hard, and most take seconds. So let's count them down, from the smallest gains all the way to the one habit that matters more than all the rest. Get even half of these right, and you'll be the owner whose battery still feels close to new when everyone else's has quietly faded. Number 8, and it's the quiet habit that ties all the others together. Keep a gentle eye on your range over time. Once a month, just notice how far a full charge is actually taking you, and glance at your battery's health readout. You're not chasing the daily noise, because cold weather and short trips will always push the numbers around. You're watching the slow trend across months. A healthy, well-treated BYD battery holds its range impressively steady, and a small drop of a few percent over the first year or two is completely normal. What you're really watching for is a sudden, steep decline that doesn't bounce back when the weather warms up. Spot that early, and you've caught a warranty claim instead of a breakdown a year later. It costs you 30 seconds a month, and it turns a nasty surprise into something you saw coming a mile away. The owners who get blindsided by a fading battery are nearly always the ones who never once looked. Number 7. Keep the software current. On a BYD, the software isn't just the screen in the middle. It's the brain that decides how the battery charges, cools, and protects itself. These cars quietly update themselves over the air once or twice a year, and those updates often make the battery genuinely smarter, adding gentler charging, better temperature control, sometimes whole new features. Skip them, and you're running your pack on last year's thinking, while the improvements sit there unused. So the habit couldn't be easier. When an update is ready, don't put it off for weeks. Plug the car in overnight, let it install while you sleep, and the battery quietly gets a little better by morning. It's free performance and free protection. Think of it this way. The engineers keep improving how your battery is managed long after you drove off the lot, but only if you actually let the improvements in. Number 6. Watch the fluid most owners forget even exists. Your BYD's battery isn't cooled by air. It's cooled by liquid, pumped through the pack, much like coolant runs through a petrol engine. That cooling loop is what holds the battery at the right temperature while you fast charge and on long summer drives. If the level slowly drops, or the fluid gets old and tired, the battery loses its ability to shed heat, and heat is the exact thing we're trying to protect it from. So the habit is to have the coolant checked at every service, and to take a coolant warning seriously if one ever appears, instead of ignoring it for a month. It's an invisible system you'll almost never think about, but it's working constantly to keep your most expensive component cool. Look after the coolant, and you're looking after the pack it protects. Number 5. Drive it smooth and let the car brake for you. Every time you floor it from a dead stop or stamp on the brake at the last second, you send a sharp spike of power in or out of the battery, and repeated hard spikes mean heat and stress on the cells. The gentler habit is to accelerate smoothly and lift off early, letting regenerative braking slow the car down for you. That's easier on the battery, and it feeds energy back into the pack instead of throwing it away as heat. And one small thing rides right alongside smooth driving. Keep your tires properly inflated. A BYD is a heavy car, And soft tires force the battery to work harder for every single mile, draining your range and piling on load it never needed to carry. Smooth driving isn't just relaxing. On an electric car, it's quietly one of the strongest longevity habits there is, and it does the same favor for your tires and brakes at the same time. Number 4, don't let it sit and mind the small battery. A battery, a bit like a body, does worst when it's left completely idle for long stretches. Leave a BYD parked and untouched for weeks, and two things go quietly wrong. The main battery slowly drains itself, and the small starter battery that runs your locks and computers can go flat, leaving you locked out of a car that's sitting there fully charged. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. Use the car, or at least wake it and let it charge, every week or two. And if you're heading away for a long time, leave the main battery with a healthy amount of charge in it, not scraping empty and not pinned at full. A car that gets driven regularly stays balanced, awake, and healthy. The ones that sit for months, ignored in a driveway, are almost always the ones that come back with problems nobody expected. Number 3, and almost no owner does it. Get a battery health check every single year. When your BYD goes in for its annual service, a technician can plug into the car and read a full report on the battery's health, a real honest number showing how much of its original capacity it has actually kept. This one habit matters for 2 reasons. First, it catches a weakening cell early, while it's still a small fixable problem instead of a dead and very expensive pack. Second, it protects your warranty. BYD guarantees the battery will hold at least 70% of its health for roughly 8 years, and if it ever drops below that, a documented yearly check is your proof for a free replacement worth thousands. Owners who never check just cross their fingers and hope the battery is fine. Owners who check every year actually know exactly where they stand, and they hold the paperwork to prove it if they ever need to make a claim. Number 2, protect it from heat. If there's one enemy that ages a battery faster than anything else, it isn't miles, it's temperature. Heat is what quietly cooks the cells over the years, long before mileage ever becomes the problem, and it's the one thing even this tough chemistry can't fully shrug off. So the habit is simple. Park in the shade or a garage whenever you can, especially in summer, and especially if the car is going to sit for hours at a high charge. A BYD baking in direct sun all afternoon, sitting nearly full, is losing life you will never get back. Drivers in hot regions treat shade as part of parking, not a luxury, and you should too. Here's the reassuring part. Your battery will happily survive a hot drive because the cooling system is doing its job while you move. What genuinely wears it down is sitting still, hot and full, day after day, with nothing helping it. Give it shade, and you've quietly handed it extra years. Number 1, the habit that does more than every other one on this list combined. The charging rhythm. If you only take away a single thing from this video, make it this. Keep your BYD between roughly 20 and 80% for everyday driving. Then give it one full slow charge to 100% about once a week. That single routine covers both things this battery actually needs. The daily 20 to 80% keeps the cells relaxed and unstressed, while the weekly full charge lets the battery's computer recalibrate itself. Because this lithium iron phosphate chemistry has a strangely flat voltage curve that slowly confuses the range gauge. Western owners are trained to fear a full charge, but your BYD is not a Western battery, and it genuinely wants that weekly 100%. That full charge is not the enemy here. It is the reset button, that keeps everything else honest. So set your everyday charge limit to around 80% and pick one day a week for the full charge. Build the routine once, set it and forget it, and you never have to think about it again. Get this rhythm right, and you have covered the two things that harm a battery most: sitting too full and losing its calibration, in one easy weekly habit. Every other tip on this list helps around the edges. This is the foundation they all stand on. Do these 8, and your BYD's battery could still be going strong, long after the batteries that were supposed to beat it have quietly faded. Because a battery almost never dies of old age. It dies of being ignored.